What up, true family? This is Phon-Er. This is vlog 1994. We just got a call from Beverly Hills from a referral. Our friend James referred us to Christy, who lives in Beverly Hills, in 90210 area code, zip code actually. And we're on our way there. It's Sunday, so traffic is gonna be beautiful and swell, and we should get there in like 30 minutes. Oh, just like I guess 30 minutes, 8.4 miles. So it should be quick and fun drive through West Hollywood with all the cool people and the cool hipsters. And yeah, it's gonna be a fun drive, and we'll show you some of the sites as we are driving there, and we should get there in 30 minutes. Hey guys, so I'll see you guys when I get there, and I will drop by when I get there, and I'll just say what up. Hey guys, sorry, I'm back. I'm still on my way to get that phone fixed in Beverly Hills with the 6 Plus. Here's the view. I forgot to put it on earlier, but it's a beautiful, beautiful city that I'm driving in. I'm right now driving through West Hollywood. Look at how cool that building design is, and look how cool that is. Look how cool this is. I missed out a lot of cool stuff, but hopefully there's some stuff that will come down when I'm going down the hill. There should be some cool stuff to show, but we'll see what happens. I'm right now on La Cienega and Melrose, so we're going towards the Beverly Center, so you guys will see the Beverly Center. The new redesigned, remodeled, it looks pretty dope. Just low key, I'm saying. Cool guys, I'll see you guys soon. Wait up, wait a minute, and we'll get back on this journey to that iPhone to get that lady a happy smile, to give that lady a happy smile, and make all the good vibes count. So, and here we go, left turn. Try to get through this. There you go. There you go, guys. That's the Beverly Center, the new one with the big screen to see. We're there in 0.5 miles, so there's not much else to show, but I'll see what I can put in this vid. Oh, that's cool. They have this store called Aram, which is my actual first name. I go by the name Aria, but it's Aram, A-R-A-M, and right there, you see straight, I don't know if you can see it, it says A-R-A-M. It's on the corner of Robertson and Beverly Boulevard, if you ever go there. And right here on the right, there's a store called Diva. It's from Italia. This is B&B Italia. And I'm not sure what to show you as a food guide, but that's about it, guys. That's about it. And we're gonna get there in less than 2 minutes. So we'll see you when we get there, guys. And thank you for the watch. For keeping up with me. There's some crazy people like walking right in the middle of the road. Crazies. Never get it. Never get it. How people drive? It's crazy. There you go. I'm gonna walk. I'm not driving. Okay guys, I'm almost there, so I'll see you when I get there. I'm not sure if I can show you the house, but I sure may be able to. Show you the house maybe? I think I should be able to show you the house. Yeah, I should be able to show you the house. Okay. It's in a really nice neighborhood. It's right here. This is Beverly Hills, guys. It's super nice. It's the 90210 area code, the famous one that you know about is that one. Alright guys, let me show you how this beautiful place looks. I have to grab a wide screen, both 6S and a 6, just to make sure. Okay guys, so this is the area. Look how beautiful that is. Look how beautiful these houses are. Beautiful. Amazing beautiful. I'm not sure what that's called, but it's beautiful. 443 Palm. Beautiful. That's the building that I'm going to in. That I'm going in 432. I can't tell you the suite because that's privacy. Okay guys, that's about it. We'll see you guys when I get there. In the meantime, just wait for a second, please. Thanks. Okay, see you guys soon. Peace. So I just kind of like.
Are you totally vegan?
Not totally. I still cheat with the eggs.
You do it.
What up guys, we just left that beautiful house area. We fixed an iPhone 6 Plus Gold. Christy was super happy. Her name was Christy, and she's into the movie industry, and her husband was in realty, so they both gave me their business cards, so that was awesome. Made some new network connects with awesome people. And now I'm driving through West Hollywood, and I wanted to show you guys how awesome this place is. It's kind of hard for me to show right now because it's kind of all congested right now, so but when I pass through it, and I don't know if I can because the street is blocked off, I'll kind of show you around. But then again, I don't want to like make this video any longer, so I'll just let you guys go. I'll show you guys next time when I'm in this area. Thank you for watching guys. This is Phon-Er Gold vlog 194, and has been an amazing repair because they were all about energy, and I just got fully energized right now. It's so super awesome when people resonate with your mindset and your beliefs and your stance. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in vlog 1955. Peace, cut.